want you to take your road test before you leave. My schedule works, but it's going to have to be during the day. We'll figure it out. We'll, don't worry about it until after you come back from your vacation, and then we'll get you over there. I have cones too, so we can also, it's just a parallel parking stoplight. You will be prepared, so don't worry. Feel comfortable. Never hang around semi-trucks. You're at a perfect speed. Keep going. Don't ever hang around. Good job. Sway with your dad. In the left just a little bit. Keep driving. Don't change. Speed is good. Looking ahead. Speeding. Good speed. You're good. I get it. Exactly.
It's like I'm going to get you a sticker.
You haven't improved. You have so much. And I do believe from my heart you will be fine. We'll keep practicing. I'll keep giving you quality. And center. And just take your time. Turn now. Turn and hold. You're getting better. Turn and hold. Yes. Keep speed up. So much better. Yep. Look ahead. Don't look down. Look ahead. You're doing great. Keep driving. Don't change anything. Beautiful. Remember, don't put your hand to the bottom because you're going to make the wheel short. Stop. Thing is good. You did good. Don't hug right. Stay in your lane. That's why I brought you here. The I-94 corridor. Yep. Turning now. Yes. You're doing it. Yes. If you would have put your hand to the bottom, you would have been throwing it. You're driving good. Stay relaxed. Really want you to feel confident, feel successful. Keep driving. Keep it in your lane. Hard. Doing it. Keep working. Set.
No, they put around me, so I thought I was placing one.
That's okay. You're doing exactly what you need to do. Yes. Don't hug the right to semi-truck. Okay. Good. Yes. Stay in your lane. Yes. Turn the wheel now. Don't jerk it. Don't put your hands on the bottom. That's your biggest difference right there. No, don't. You just turn and hold. Keep it up.
I'm just used to seeing my parents turn like that.
Girl,
so
they can do
like
that. You can. You haven't learned that yet. Keep driving. See? We made it through. Okay, stay on the gas. Get over one lane to the right. Don't jerk it. Don't jerk it. Yeah, you can. Good. Feel the blinker. You have to know you can do it.
I just saw the car coming, but...
Your lane, stay in your lane. Nice. Don't panic. Just lift your foot a little bit. Drive. It's good. Keep eating. Biggest thing is your right hand. You're not as much, or you're stopping yourself like that. Keep driving. You're able to hold the car much better. Still hugging around. Still not squeezing it. It's not just staying relaxed and keeping your speed up. Don't worry about these cars. Focus on you. You're doing great. No cap, no hate. Drive in the left a little because you're kind of squeezing. Get the car more centered. Keep driving. Don't put the hand down. You don't know what's going to happen. Good. Your distance is good. Back off of these cars a little bit. Slow us down a little. Perfect. Stay in your lane. There's a reason. Spun out. Surprise me. Keep going. Keep it up. You're just fine. You're perfect. Just keep a little bit more space so you can see and react. Everything is good. You're getting better. Put your foot a little bit. Keep room. Nice. Keep driving. Doing everything I need to see. I want you around this truck. I want you in the rain. A little bit more room. I don't want you to tailgate the car hauler or this gray minivan. Just keep doing what you're doing. Everything is good. This is your smoothest drive yet, and I want to just give you that confidence. Leave for space. Eventually, we will change lanes, but right now, don't tailgate them. And don't let them control you like, oh my God, what am I going to do? Eventually, we will pass. Stay on the gas. Get over one lane to the right. Right is up. I love that blind spot check. Keep eating. Kill your blinker. Drive. That was good. And eventually, you will pass the truck. So just keep moving. Keep moving. Eventually. Don't be scared like, oh my God, I got to stay back here. Keep driving. Eventually, you will pass the truck.